Hi, this is Mato. Welcome to my online chess lecture. In this video I will show you a game between Matthias Bluebaum and Nikita Vitiugov. This is a game from GRENKE Classic chess tournament played in Germany in 2018. Matthias Bluebaum had white pieces and he started with d4, d5, c4, Queen's Gambit, c6, Slav Defense, knight to f3, knight to f6, e3, bishop to f5, knight to c3, e6, and now knight to h4, hunting the bishop, bishop to g6, bishop to d2, knight from b to d7, and white capture the bishop on j6, h takes on g6, c5, e5, b4, defending the pawn on c5, bishop to e7, and now b5, expanding on the queen side. Nikita Vitiugov castled king's side, queen to a4, rook to e8, aligning the rook with the white king, b takes on c6, b takes on c6, bishop to e2, e takes on d4, e takes on d4, black to move. What would you do in this position if you had black pieces? This is a very interesting moment of the game. White in the castle. So, play with the black pieces. Nikita Vitiugov decided to go for the king hunt. Knight takes on c5, very bold move. D takes on c5, d4, white to move. Matthias Bluebaum castled king's side. If knight to d1, saving the knight, one line goes like this. Bishop takes on c5, and after king to f1, knight to e4. And white's position is very difficult to play. Back to our game. d4, castling, d takes on c3, bishop takes on c3, bishop takes on c5. White king is safe now, but black is a pawn up. Bishop to f3, attacking the pawn on c6, rook to c8, not only intending to defend the pawn, but exiling white bishop on c3. Bishop takes on c6, rook to e2, bishop to f3, attacking the rook. What is the best square for the rook? What would you do? This is another very interesting moment of the game. Please pause and find the best move for black. What did you find? Did you notice that the bishop on c3 is not defended? So, rook takes pawn on f2. Rook takes rook. Bishop takes rook. Check. King takes bishop, and now rook takes on c3. Queen takes on a7. Black to move. What would you do in this position? Please pause and find the best move for black. Did you pause? What did you find? Vitiugov played this great move. Knight to e4, check. King to g1. What else? If bishop takes on e4, then rook to c7. And where is the queen going? If queen goes to b6, then rook to c2, check, winning the queen. And what else? Let's go back. If in this position queen goes to e3, then black plays queen to f6 check, winning the rook. And what else? Let's go back. If in this position queen to a8 was played, then rook to c8, and after queen to d5, queen to f6 check, again winning the rook. Back to our game. After check, we have king to g1. Black to move. How would you continue now? Black played the move and white resigned. And the move is rook to a3. White resigned. If queen takes rook, then queen to d4 check, and after king to h1, queen takes rook, And if king goes to f1, it's even worse. Checkmate. And let's go back. What if white doesn't take the rook? What if rook to d1 is played? How will you continue now? Then the queen takes rook, and after bishop takes queen, rook takes queen on a7. That is why I play with white pieces. Matthias Bluebaum resigned in this position. What do you think of this game? And that is all. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I wish you good luck with your chess, and bye for now.